Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to adjust the black level on LG 43QNED80. To do it, go to the settings by pressing and holding on the settings button so it opens the full settings page. Then make sure you are in the picture tab and go to advanced settings, then go to brightness, and now you can find the black level. Click on that and now you can point on it and use the scroll wheel, or just press and hold on OK button and drag it, and that's how you adjust it. I'm gonna set it back to 50. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.